Hello, it's Tasha with WTI.
This is absolutely my favorite essential oil. Now does a wonderful job with their 100% pure lavender essential oil. It has become a wonderful addition to my self-care routine. It does really well combined with any other care oils if you want to make a blend. It is one of the most calming essential oils that I have found. It is deeply soothing to me when I inhale it, and it automatically makes me feel calm. I also really love using it with my diffuser. It really takes just a few drops of this oil, and when I plug it into my air diffuser, my whole room fills up with this beautiful, relaxing scent of lavender. If you like lavender essential oil as much as I do, then this is a wonderful brand and I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.